Here's my Samsung hob. Here's my Samsung phone. Here's the watch. To come with them is this, the Duo charger. So let's see how that looks. Hi everyone. Yeah, look what I got. Got the wireless charger Duo from Samsung. Yeah, this will charge basically the watch that I got and my phone at the same time. There's my phone. Could go both ways. I think the watch will sit there. The wireless stand that came with the watch didn't seem to have a standard USB like the mini USB. It was slightly unique, so I couldn't just charge it from the computer USB cables and stuff. So now this does give me a little bit of freedom. It's come with some cables, I hope. Here we go, let's have a look. We've got start guide, a hefty steep charger, adaptive fast charging. This is a USB-C cable. Goes in there anyway, doesn't matter which way round it goes. And then that into the charger. Little lights flash there. So here's the watch. The light indicating that that's now charging has come on. And the phone, well, my phone's in a case. I don't think it will do that, will it? Through a case. Well, my word, it does it through a case. That is so cool. So both devices on charge together there. Okay, well, thanks for watching. If you like this video, subscribe for any other updates and other news videos. Thank you.